Hello everyone, I am Nurmiza Patini and my members is Nur Atika, Nuraini Amira and Nur Sharafina.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika binti Muhammad Muzamil. For topic in this presentation is the oil and gas industry challenges in reducing costs and the remaining competitiveness. Okay, for the oil and gas industry, face numerous challenges in reducing costs and maintaining competitiveness. These include producing more energy at lower cost, growing supply chain complexity, and increasing service costs. To address these challenges, company must embrace innovative technology, invest in research and developments, and prioritize effective coordination, communication, and collaboration with supplier and partners.
There are several challenges for the oil and gas industry, which is to produce more energy while simultaneously reducing costs and minimizing environmental impact. So one of the challenges is balancing short-term profitable and long-term license to operate. So societal demand for reliable energy services and emission reduction. So the solution for these challenges is that we can invest in renewable energy sources, energy efficiency, and cleaner technologies. We can also collaborate with stakeholders, dialogue, and building trust for long-term viability and a sustainable energy future. From the graph that has been shown, the year of 2009 to 2019, the global oil production experienced an annual growth rate of 1.5%. So in terms of actual quantities, the global oil production rose from 83,293,000 barrels per day to a record high of 94,961,000 barrels per day in 2019. So among the regions, North America had the highest average annual growth rate during the same period, reaching 6.1%. The Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC, witnessed a growth of 0.5% per year in production, while non-OPEC countries saw a higher growth rate at 2.2% per year. So conversely, the European Union experienced an average annual decline of 4.4% in oil production. So the graph shows a global gas production by region in 2010 to 2020. So from 2009 to 2019, the production of natural gas showed an average annual growth rate of 3.1%, increasing from 3,550.8 to 3,976.2 billion cubic meters. Among the regions, the Middle East had the highest average annual growth rate during the same period, reaching 5.1%. Conversely, the European Union experienced an average annual decline of 2.5% in natural gas production. So meanwhile, in 2021, there was a resurgence in natural gas production and the demand grew by 5.3%, surpassing 4 trillion cubic meters for the first time. Considering the existing proven oil reserves and the current production trends, the global reserve to production ratio stood at 53.5. This indicates that if oil production remains at the current rate, the known proven reserve would last approximately 53.5 years. Similarly, for gas, the reserve to production ratio by the end of 2020 was 48.8.
According to fellows in 2022, one of the challenges for the oil and gas industry is to produce more energy while simultaneously reducing costs and minimizing environmental impact. With the increasing global demand for energy, there is a growing need to explore and develop new reserves. However, traditional methods of extraction and exploration are often costly and also environmentally disruptive. So to tackle this challenge, the industry must embrace innovative technology and practice such as advanced drilling techniques, enhanced recovery methods, and cleaner energy alternatives like renewable sources. By investing in research and development, the industry can unlock cost-effective and sustainable energy solutions, ensuring a brighter future for both of industry and also the planet. Other than that, according to my thesis in 2018, the challenge is growing supply chain complexity. In recent years, the oil and gas industry has witnessed a surge in supply chain complexity, necessitating efficient management to maintain competitiveness. Network consolidation, restructuring, and increasing reliance on third parties have contributed to the intricate nature of industry's supply chain. So to overcome this challenge, companies need to prioritize effective coordination, communication, and collaboration with their suppliers, and partners. Implementing robust supply chain management system, leveraging advanced analytics, and fostering strategic partnerships can also optimize the flow of resource and reduce operational costs. By streamlining supply chain process, the industry can enhance the efficiency, mitigate risk, and gain a competitive edge in increasingly interconnected global market.
The challenge faced by oil and gas companies is due to the volatile oil prices, which are facing the difficulty in planning operation and budgets. The offers a potential solution is to mitigate or reducing the effect of price fluctuation. It's mentioned that business can invest in new tools and technology to boost their productivity as their tactic to save their expenses. In addition, oil and gas firms have options such as purchasing and selling their future contract and utilizing the financial tools like option and swap to hedge against the price swings. This measure can help companies to save money, reduce the impact of fluctuating oil price while maintaining the profit and competitiveness. The challenge of oil and gas is the increasing service costs due to the inefficiency plant operation, and the suggested solution is through the digital transformation and automation. By rising up the chain, costs impact the profitability. Therefore, necessities of the adoption technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robot process automation. These technologies streamline workflows to eliminate the redundancies and enhance the productivity. Furthermore, investing more in workforce training and upgrade skill promotes agility and efficiency. Ultimately, these measures reduce costs and improve competitiveness within the industry.
Okay, for the conclusion, the oil and gas industry faces numerous challenges that demand strategic action for cost reduction and competitiveness. But by producing more energy at lower cost, embracing innovation, and prioritizing sustainability, the industry can meet global energy demand while minimizing environmental impact. So the industry can not only meet global energy demands but also contribute to a cleaner and greener future.